It's too big?
Yeah.
Okay, use the purple. That's why Ate Dong bought you the purple, right?
When you get older,
You can use that one.
no, Jill, let me, no, Jill. Just to our feet out. It's your little girl. Let me help you. It's tight.
She's really tough girl. She's tough girl. Jelana is tough girl. Jelana, this winter you're gonna be skating like that on the ice rink. You're gonna be
Ice skating.
yeah, ice skating. Yep. Yeah, once you practice doing that, you're gonna good. Did you text your brother?
No, I've not.
Well, ice skating is way easier, Mars.
I think that's a good idea. You should do that. Take advantage of that one
Ice skating, but harder.
if you're really serious about it.
When the sun.
I know she's really strong. Yep.
Let's see who I am. It's like destiny. It's like destiny. It's like destiny. Are you really good at ice skating?
She is.
Are you really good at it?
Hello, Mikay. Good morning.
Do this one.
Jade, you still have 30 minutes. You made it to 30 minutes. Good job. Yeah, see, you didn't notice it. Oh, that's a good one. Ouch.
Sorry.
Yeah, you can control that one. Yeah. Okay, take it off, Jade. Take it off. You need to just hold her hand. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Okay.
So I don't have to move. Do you hurt? Do you need Band-Aid?
Sige, sige. Okay lang, Mikay. Thank you.
You can do this, Jelana. Because you're standing on your legs.
Ikaw pa lang naman nauna. No worries.
There you go. Perfect. You're getting better, better.
She's getting better. Dad, you need to play with Jade with this one. While Jelana is busy. Dad? Do you want Daddy?
Dad. Get yourself shoes then. Use the boots as well.
Mikay, maraming ano dyan. Mikay, naririnig mo ako dyan. Maraming mahihirap sa lugar nyo. Ha, Mikay? Mikay, maraming mahihirap dyan sa lugar nyo. Oo. Nice. Good job. Oh, nice. Marami dyan. Okay. PM mo sa akin yung address para mag-donate ako ng mga damit ng mga kambal. Hello, Des. Oh, really? Why you put your... Ipadala ko yung mga damit ng mga kambal. Sige, PM mo sa akin yung address. Kasi maayos pa naman yung mga damit nila.